Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best cordless screwdrivers of the year. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to tackle quick fixes around the house, having a reliable cordless screwdriver can make all the difference. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Xiaomi Rechargeable Electric Screwdriver. The Xiaomi electric screwdriver is small but mighty. With its ergonomic design and premium materials, it's easy to grip and feels sturdy in hand. It's perfect for those quick fixes around the house, whether it's assembling furniture, tightening screws, or working on electronics. This tool is powered by a strong motor, delivering up to 5 Nm of torque. That's plenty of power for most household tasks, and it allows you to get the job done faster than with a manual screwdriver. The Xiaomi electric screwdriver comes with a set of high-quality bits, so you'll have the right bit for almost any screw type. And switching between them is quick and easy, thanks to the magnetic chuck that holds each bit securely in place. Battery life is another big plus. With its rechargeable lithium battery, the Xiaomi electric screwdriver provides plenty of runtime, and it charges quickly with the included USB-C cable. No need to worry about running out of power halfway through a project. The screwdriver also comes with a durable carrying case, which keeps the tool and bits organized and protected. It's compact and easy to store, so you can take it anywhere you need it. With its compact size, powerful performance, and thoughtful features like the quick charge battery, the Xiaomi electric screwdriver is a great tool for anyone who values convenience and efficiency. Number 4. iLevar 68-in-1 Precision Electric Screwdriver Set. The iLevar electric precision screwdriver is crafted with a premium, lightweight design that makes it comfortable to hold and perfect for precision tasks. Its compact, sturdy build feels high quality, making it a reliable choice for anyone needing a dependable tool. This screwdriver set includes a durable magnetic case and 68 interchangeable bits made from long-lasting S2 steel, covering various screws suited for laptops, phones, cameras, and more. The 68-in-1 precision electric screwdriver is versatile and ideal for DIY projects, such as iPhone repairs and PC adjustments. High torque adjustability. With 5 torque adjustment settings, this tool provides precise control for different screws and bolts. 64 magnetic bits. These magnetic bits ensure easy attachment to electronic devices, making it easier to tackle any task. Brushless motor. Designed with a brushless motor, the screwdriver delivers efficient energy use and long-lasting performance. Rated voltage of 3.6 V, operating at a safe and efficient 3.6 V, this tool is suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Variable torque settings. Offering 5 torque options, the screwdriver ranges from high torque to low torque, with manual torque up to 3 Nm, ideal for delicate tasks on electronics like PCs, consoles, laptops, and cameras. Organized magnetic case. The magnetic storage case features a pop-up mechanism, keeping everything neatly organized. Long-lasting battery. A rechargeable battery powers up to 400 screws on a single charge. The LED indicator shows the power level, and the USB-C port allows easy recharging. In summary, the iLevar 68-in-1 electric precision screwdriver set is a portable, powerful choice for precision work. With its extensive bit selection, dual torque settings, and practical features like an LED light and USB-C charging, it's designed to make your projects easier and more efficient. Number 3. SHENHAOXU Cordless Electric Screwdriver. The SHENHAOXU Cordless Electric Screwdriver is designed with ease of use in mind. It's lightweight, compact, and fits comfortably in your hand, so you can work on detailed tasks without fatigue. This tool is perfect for small household tasks, electronics assembly, and furniture assembly. Its ergonomic design means you can use it comfortably, even for extended periods. Don't let its size fool you. The SHENHAOXU screwdriver delivers impressive power for its compact form. It's equipped with a high torque motor that makes quick work of tasks around the home, handling everything from wood to metal with ease. The SHENHAOXU cordless electric screwdriver comes with a variety of bits and attachments, making it incredibly versatile. From flatheads to Phillips and even hex bits, this screwdriver is ready for almost any job. The PTS40 features a brand new design, functioning as a USB hybrid screwdriver that can be used both automatically and manually. With its 18,650 Type 1300 mAh battery, the operating time exceeds 100 minutes, making the screwdriver both powerful and aesthetically pleasing. Electric mode, forward and reverse operation is available. You can rotate the tail power or torque adjustment switch to select the appropriate torque based on your needs. Manual mode, for disassembling and assembling tight screws. The manual mode can be combined with the electric mode to ensure safety and prevent damage to the screws. The SHENHAOXU screwdriver is powered by a rechargeable battery, making it convenient and eco-friendly. With a USB charging port, you can recharge it anytime, anywhere, ensuring it's always ready to go. In conclusion, the SHENHAOXU cordless electric screwdriver is a powerful and compact tool suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and those needing it for occasional home repairs. It's easy to use, versatile, and packed with features to make your tasks simpler. Number 2. Worx 4V Electrical Screwdriver Sets. The Worx 4V Electric Screwdriver Set is a versatile and convenient tool designed to simplify your DIY projects and everyday repairs. With its compact design and powerful features, this electric screwdriver is perfect for both professional tradespeople and home enthusiasts alike. Let's take a closer look at its key features. This model comes with a complete set of bits, which makes it a practical choice. The powerful 4V screwdriver from Worx delivers a no-load speed of 300 RPM, with a maximum hard torque of 44 in lbs and a maximum soft torque of 22 in lbs. Weighing only 1.5 lbs, it feels great in hand and can be easily maneuvered from multiple angles to reach tough fasteners. The 4V motor is powerful enough to rival some drills, offering approximately 45 minutes of no-load working time on a single charge. However, since you'll likely use this tool in short bursts, it will effectively last much longer than 45 minutes. Plus, it recharges in just an hour and a half. So, the Worx 4V electric screwdriver set is a reliable and efficient tool that simplifies your DIY and repair tasks. Its powerful motor, ergonomic design, and convenient features make it an essential addition to any tool collection. Number 1. Bosch Go 3 Electric Screwdriver. The Bosch Go 3 is a sleek and compact cordless screwdriver that packs a punch. Weighing in at just over a pound, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for tight spaces and overhead tasks. One of the standout features of the Bosch Go 3 is its push and go functionality. Just push down on the screw, and it automatically engages, allowing for quick and effortless driving. No more fumbling with switches or buttons. This tool is designed for speed and convenience. Let's discuss the specifications of the Bosch Go 3 electric screwdriver. This tool features a next-generation mechanical clutch that offers enhanced precision with 7 torque settings, allowing for maximum performance tailored to your needs. With a torque output of 3.6 Nm, the Bosch Go 3 is powerful enough to handle most household tasks with ease. Additionally, the Bosch Go 3 is equipped with a built-in LED light, making it easy to work in low light conditions. Its 2.0 mAh battery capacity allows for a higher number of applications per charge, ensuring that you can complete multiple tasks without frequent recharging. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance, offering reliability for all your projects. This kit comes with a variety of accessories, including multiple screwdriver bits, a charging cable, and a handy carrying case for easy storage. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing shelves, or tackling any home improvement project, the Bosch Go 3 makes driving screws a breeze. Its precision and ease of use will save you time and effort. The integrated LED light is a fantastic feature for illuminating dark areas or when working in tight spaces. You'll never have to worry about missing a screw again. So, the Bosch Go 3 Cordless Screwdriver Kit. It's an essential addition to any toolbox, combining power, convenience, and a sleek design that you'll love. So there you have it, the 5 best cordless screwdrivers of the year. Whether you need precision for electronics, a powerful tool for medium-duty tasks, or just a reliable screwdriver for quick fixes around the house, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gear reviews. Comment below and let us know which one you're considering, or if you have a favorite cordless screwdriver we missed. See you in the next video.